World's largest statues. Now, before we see the largest statues in the world, we want to work our way up. So we're beginning with Venus of Empori, which is 0.036 meters. Hang on, what's that? That's only 3.6 centimeters. That's like that. Hey, Rebecca. Put a little Venus of Empori in my little fingers. Look at that. That is small. All right, yeah, here we go. Here we go. Venus of Wildendorf. Paleolithic statue. Then we've got a can of Coke. And now we've moved on quite significantly to a mannequin piece from Brussels. Oh, and now it's there. Oh my goodness, there's so much going on. So we're still not at a meter, but we have a Capitoline Wolf, which depicts two boys drinking from the wolf's udders. Fair enough. It's from the 11th to 12th century, and it's like that big. Nice. Okay, it's gonna get mad in this video. So now we have surpassed 1 meter, and we have come to the Little Mermaid. Oh, we have a statue I actually recognize. It's the fella with the discus. Disco Bullus. I don't feel that's how it's pronounced. 1.7 meters. So that's like my height, isn't it? Terracotta Soldier. Also 1.7 meters. The Terracotta Soldiers always look really badass, don't they? The Thinker. I'm familiar with him as well. He's 1.83 meters, so he's a bit taller than I am. Venus de Milo, 2 meters. Oh, hang on. Who's this big fella that's turned up? 2.84 meters. San Lorenzo Colossal Head 1. Oh, and then we've got one of the Easter Island statues. I really want to go see these in real life. That'd be amazing. Moi, 4 meters tall, which is pretty large, to be fair. La Massau. And hang on, who's this little fella that's slipped in? Is that just an average adult male? Maybe. And then there's a cat up here who's just letting any Tom, Dick, or Harry wander about the line of statues. Then we've got our mate David, who's very tall, 7 meters. Oh, and then we've got the Lincoln Memorial, another very famous iconic statue. Very large as well when you compare him to the little fella down there. Whoa! That was quite the upgrade. I always found Mount Rushmore really cool, and then it got ruined for me not too long ago when I found out that the mountains were originally owned by the Native Americans of Lakota. But then when gold was found in the area, US prospectors came in and they recarved the existing faces into the US presidents, which is kind of sad, isn't it? But on a lighter note, look at that little lorry down there. That was cool, isn't it? Okay, so we're really accelerating now. Oh, we've got the Sphinx. What's with the big feet? Something's not quite right there. Did they run out of stone by the time they got to the top? What happened, guys? But yeah, it's interesting seeing a visual comparison between Mount Rushmore and the Sphinx of Giza. Yes, very nice. 20 meters. Oh, Mansu Hill Grand Monument. This is in North Korea. 22 meters. They look like they're having a nice time, which is odd for North Korea. Moving on to Colossus of Rhodes. 30 meters. Oh, we've also got another little fella down there. And then Colossus of Nero. That's very impressive, isn't it? Coming up next is Christ the Redeemer at 39 meters. There's the big fella. Not gonna lie, right? Christ the Redeemer got ruined for me by a guy called Carl Pilkington. He basically pointed out that it looks like he's got a really big chin. Like, way too big. Now, it's actually meant to be his beard, but it doesn't look like a beard. It just looks like he's got a really big chin. Moving on. Okay, what's next? African Renaissance Monument in Senegal. Now, that's a cool looking monument. I've never seen that before. That looks epic. It's 49 meters tall as well. What's coming up next? Christ the King. Oh, look at his little crown. He's got a cool crown on. Hang on a minute. I've just thought. Where's the Angel of the North? Shove that in there. Angel of the North's 20 meters, so I think it's not included in this video. It's almost as if it's just not relevant to anyone outside of the northeast of England. Anyway, what's next? The Motherland Calls. That's another really, really cool statue. Oh, hang on. Oh, we've moved over the big dogs. We've got the Motherland Monument, and we've got Statue of Liberty, which I also feel like looks a bit smaller than you'd actually imagine. Ushiku Daibatsu from Japan, 120 meters. Garuda Winsu Kencana, that's in Indonesia. It's 121 meters tall. That's another very, very cool statue. That looks absolutely epic. There's a plane for reference. I like that one. That's a badass statue. Leikyun Setskya. That's in Myanmar. Asia are really taking over this list now. Spring Temple Buddha, China. And then we have the Statue of Unity, which I knew would be coming up because I do know it's the biggest statue in the world. That is a mad, mad statue. That's the Statue of Unity. That's the Angel of the North. Statue of Unity, Angel of the North. Look at them next to each other. If you've not seen the Statue of Unity before, it looks absolutely mad. Look at that. Look at this big bald fella stood in the middle of nowhere, just looking absolutely massive. Look at that one. Jesus Christ. Here we can see him next to Statue of Liberty and Christ the Redeemer. Oh my god. Look at his feet. GG India. That is mad. Yeah, Statue of Unity. Absolutely crazy. I mean, look at the difference between him and then that Spring Temple Buddha. That is just such a jump. Bloody hell. Alright, thanks for watching. That was World's Biggest Statues. Let me know what you want me to react to next time, and I'll see you later.